Hey, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. And today we're going to show you how to make a tortellini salad. I mean, summer's coming up. What better way to eat pasta, you know? Anyway, we received some Phat olive oil. It's spelled P-H-A-T. It's artisan oils and balsamic. One of our subscribers, Mike, has a family that owns this company, and he had them send some olive oil. And boy, did they send olive oil. Anyway, we went on their website, and this was one of the recipes that they featured using their oils and balsamic. And anyway, we're going to show you how to make it. It looks wonderful. Thanks,
Looks
Matt
really
and
good.
Jill. We appreciate the olive oil.
Thank you for oil and balsamic vinegar.
Anyway, let's get cooking. All right, check out all this olive oil and balsamic. Matt and Jill sent us. Man,
Looks good. This one is black mission fig.
Serrano.
Honey.
Oh, that's
We'll have to try that.
that's what we're using for the recipe today. And we got some extra
We're
virgin
gonna
olive
try a
oil.
little bit of this in here with some toasted bread. Oh, look at how nice and thick
Oh
that
man,
is.
what flavor is that?
That's the black mission fig.
Ooh.
Oh,
Try another one.
you want to do the sriracha honey? Try it.
Yeah, let's try that because we're gonna put that in the pasta salad today, in the tortellini
Actually,
salad.
it's Serrano. Sorry, I don't have my glasses.
Serrano honey.
Not sriracha. They put sriracha in everything now.
I know.
God almighty, give me a break. All right, over here we got some garlic, a little bit of chopped up garlic in these plates. We're gonna just put some olive oil and some pepper, salt and pepper in there.
Yeah, try that one, extra virgin. Nice.
Looks good. Nice color. What do we have here?
Black
truffle
Oh,
oil.
we gotta
We'll
try
try
that
this.
one. Yeah.
Bet it's good.
It smells great, man. It really does. Put some salt and pepper
And then
in
we're gonna
there.
put some
Pinch of salt. And that'll do it.
and that's it. You can also, if you like, you can put rosemary in there and stuff, but I want to taste the oil, you know, actually.
Yeah, for sure.
All right.
All right, let's test it out.
We're going to eat here or at the table?
No, we'll do it right here. We gotta start cooking here in a minute. We gotta make
I'm going to
the
try the
tortellini.
Serrano.
I'm gonna try the extra virgin.
Serrano balsamic.
There.
Wow.
Very good. How's
That's
that?
amazing.
What is that?
Serrano.
We're putting that in the tortellini salad today.
Very good. Excellent. I highly recommend this oil and balsamic vinegar.
The name of the company is Phat. It's spelled P-H-A-T, balsamics and olive oils.
I can't stop eating it.
I'll definitely put the link to their website on our description at the end of the video. Very good. Tom, you want to try some?
Go ahead, Dom. Dig in.
Okay, all right. We got the recipe here from Phat Olive, artisan oils and balsamics. We're gonna give this recipe a try. It looks really good, and I really enjoyed that Serrano honey vinegar, so I'm really interested to see how this comes out.
Yeah, it's
Anyway,
gonna be good.
First thing we got to do is we got to cook the tortellini, so we got that going. But while that's getting ready to boil, we're going to go ahead and chop up the spinach, and it calls for 2 cups of chopped spinach. got to get 8 ounces of the mozzarella pearls, which we already have.
Right here.
Yeah. Then
They're like M&Ms.
Yeah.
and then we need 1 pint of cherry tomatoes, but I got grape tomatoes instead.
We'll cut them in half.
They were on sale, so they're just as good. Actually, I like them better.
And we got some pepperoni here. We're just gonna.
Oh yeah, quarter of those. Let's quarter them.
So small.
I know.
I'm used to the boar's head pepperoni. It's like that.
Yeah. I know, right? Yeah.
It's really good on pizza. It's just quarter.
Yeah, let's quarter them. And we have our artichoke hearts. It's a 14-ounce can of artichoke hearts.
They're quartered already.
Yep. Yep. And then we need to get a half a cup of slivered basil. Check out the size of these leaves.
Wow. Wow.
Crazy. I've never seen basil leaves that big. Crazy. Just having the grape tomatoes here. All right. Those look great. Those tomatoes.
Yeah, they're nice.
Really nice. All right,
What is this, a pound?
That's 20 ounces.
20, little over a
A
pound?
little over a pound, yeah.
We're going to put some salt in the water.
And these only cook for 4 minutes.
Yeah, these cook very fast. When they float to the top, they're ready.
That's right. That's right.
They all float to the top.
Yeah, all of them. Oh, they're floating already.
They're ready.
What you say? No. All right.
I don't cook them for 4 minutes, man.
Ah, nice. Oh, we better slice up basil, 1/4 cup. I'd say it's probably about 4 of those leaves.
Maybe less.
Just to give you an idea of how big these are. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Slivers. Very nice.
I think that's good.
Yeah, that's perfect.
That's plenty.
Yeah. All right. How's that tortellini doing?
Trust me, it don't take 4 minutes.
Yeah, plus it's gonna, you know, you want it to absorb all the oil and balsamic vinegar, you know, while it's chilling. How is it? A little more?
Al dente.
Oh, okay.
Another minute.
All right.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, just drain them. And we gotta cool them off. And then we'll be back. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and just add all those ingredients that we prepared.
Basil. Some spinach. Grape tomatoes. Pepperoni. Artichokes.
Oh yeah, man, that's gonna be a good salad.
Yeah,
I can tell already. All right, now you got to put a 1/3 cup of the Serrano honey vinegar.
That's extra virgin.
Oh yeah, that's extra virgin olive oil.
Is that what we're putting in there too?
Yeah,
And this is Serrano honey?
yeah, that's the one we need right there. Put about a 1/3 cup in there. All right. Now we're gonna go ahead and put a 1/2 cup of olive oil. That's for medium intensity olive oil, but all we have is the extra virgin, so I think that'll work.
Beautiful.
That looks good.
Salt and pepper.
Yeah. Salt, you put about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I think black pepper to taste, basically.
I think I got a couple of good ones at the house. I'll bring one over.
Yeah.
But the wooden ones.
Pepper mills, yeah.
Yeah.
That'll work.
Okay.
All right, now
That
mix
looks
that up.
beautiful.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Looks good.
It does. Very colorful. Man.
Oh man.
That was perfect.
God, that looks good, man.
All right.
This is a beautiful dish right here.
It is. It's gorgeous.
Now we're gonna put it in the fridge and let it chill for a little bit,
That's 30 minutes, and then we'll
and then
test it out.
we're gonna eat.
All right, it's been 30 minutes. We had this tortellini salad chilling. Woo. Man, look at that. Oh, beautiful. Oh, yeah. All right. Oh, man. Look at that. That looks beautiful. Very colorful. I'm really interested in trying it with the Serrano honey balsamic. All right. Let's give it a test. Taste test.
Very good.
Wow. Sorry, I can't talk with my mouth full. But no, it's got an awesome flavor. The Serrano honey balsamic is wonderful. I mean, I've had this salad in other types of recipes using regular vinegar or balsamic. But this one, a step up above. Very good. Anyway, I encourage you to go to their website. It's Phat, P-H-A-T, artisan oils and balsamic. And I'm also going to have the link to their website on our description. Anyway, thanks for watching. We appreciate the subscribers, and we'll see you guys next time.
Take care. Thank you.